If you want to know how to import your seed phrase from a different wallet into your Tonkeeper, then watch this video to the end. The first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store and download this app. Download this app, Tonkeeper, from Play Store. If you're an Apple Store, go there and download it. After downloading it, you just open it and click on the app. After clicking on the app, you see where you have this import wallet. That is the section that you'll be going to. Do not go over to this create wallet. If you are creating this, if you are clicking here, you are going to be creating a new wallet. But since we've created a wallet before, we just want to import it into this wallet. Alright, so we won't be using this section. Alright, so we'll just be using this section. So we click on this import existing wallet. Alright, we click on it, and then it will take you to import using. There are various options here. They have import wallet, and they have watch account, they have a testnet account, and they have a pair account. And the last one here, in my next video I'll be explaining what all these various sections are. Alright, but for the sake of this video, I'll be concentrating on how to import directly through your key phrase, which is here. So I'll be clicking on here. Alright, this is where you're supposed to be clicking on. Alright, so you click on that. You just click on that, and then you go and copy your seed phrase. I have copied the seed phrase, so watch the next. So you have to head over to where you saved your seed phrase in your phone. If you've saved your seed phrase before in a different notepad in your phone, you just go there and copy it. So here I'll be copying my seed phrase, and I'll go back to the Tonkeeper and import it. Alright, so I am going to copy it immediately right here. So this is my seed phrase. I've copied it. So I'll now head back into our Tonkeeper and import it. So now, since I've copied the seed phrase, now I'll just come over here and just paste it. Alright, just paste those seed phrase right here. Okay, now and after pasting those seed phrases, automatically it will just pop up here. What you have to do is just go to your notepad that I just showed you, copy it. Alright, copy where you save this seed phrase. Alright, copy where you save this seed phrase, and then you click on this continue. Okay, you click on continue, and then you give it a little chance to load up. Good. Now it will show up this. Now this is this account here was the first account that I created. I have two wallets in this app. Okay, the first one is for testnet that I created initially, and this is the first one that I've been using. So since there are two wallets right in this app, I just want only one wallet to be showing right here in this Tonkeeper. Alright, I just want one wallet to be showing. I hope you understand me. I just want one wallet to be showing right here in this Tonkeeper. So I'll just go and highlight here, and this plus sign here means that you've given this app a go ahead to keep just one wallet inside the app. Okay, had it been I highlighted these two here, which means it's gonna be only two wallets that are gonna be in this app. But since I highlighted just one, which means it's only one wallet that's gonna be in the app. Alright, so I'll just highlight on one. This is the wallet that I've just highlighted. So after highlighting, then you click on continue, and then you insert your numbers. You insert the pin that you used in creating you can create any new pin. You can create a new pin that will help keep the app safe. Alright, you just create any pin of your choice. Alright, so let me just create any one here. Then you reconfirm the pin. Any pin can be created. Okay, then you can decide to get notifications from the app directly, or you just enable notifications. So I'll click on enable notifications, and it will take me here. Just select anything, any of these. You can select any of these. Alright, any of these will represent your wallet. So if you choose this symbol, it's going to represent your wallet. If you choose the key or the flower, is going to represent your wallet. Alright, so I just click on this key here to represent my wallet. It's a kind of image that represents your wallet. Alright, so I'll click on, you can see now it has shown. Whenever you see this key, know that that particular key represents that image over there, represents your wallet. Okay, so that image there shows that that particular place is your wallet. All right, so you click on it. So whenever you see this key, just understand that where this key is located, your wallet is gonna be just at the left. Okay, or if I had chosen any of this or any of this sign here, this sign here will represent my wallet. Okay, this image here will represent where my wallet is. All right, so you click on continue next. After that, after selecting that, you can now see my wallet has been finally created. So I'll just click on, just click to the right. If you don't want to watch it, just click over here. Just swap your screen to the right. Okay, or you just click on this star over here to remove this. All right, congratulations, this is my wallet that has been imported automatically. You can see that these are the tokens that I've kept in this wallet for so long, and now I have now had access to the wallet. All right, so guys, that is how you import your wallet to Tonkeeper. If you enjoyed this video, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop important videos, you don't